Hello, friends. I am Mercury. Along with Venus, Earth, Mars, I am one of the rocky planets. I have a solid surface that is covered with craters like Moon. I have a thin atmosphere and I doesn't have any moons. I like to keep things simple. I am the smallest and fastest planet in solar system. I am named after the Roman messenger god. I was known by ancient people thousands of years ago. Thank you.
Hello, my dear friends. I'm Venus. As you all know, I am the brightest object in the sky after sun and moon. And sometimes I look like a bright star in the morning or evening sky. I'm a little smaller than Earth and am similar to Earth inside. Of course, you guys can't see the surface of mine from Earth because I'm covered with thick clouds. As you all know, I'm hotter than Mercury despite being further away from the sun. Unlike others, I always spin clockwise on my axis. If looking with human eyes, my color is white and yellow with a reddish and brown surface. Scientists generally agree to describe me as white and yellow. That's few things about me. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Earth. I am the only planet known to have large amount of water and life. I have oxygen present in atmosphere. My 75% of part is filled with water. I am protected from harmful solar radiation by its magnetic field. I am kept warm by an insulating atmosphere. I have the chemical ingredients for life including water and carbon. I am almost a sphere. I am mostly iron, oxygen and silicon. My molten iron core creates the magnetic field.
Hello, friends. I am Mars. I am the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system, being larger than only Mercury. In English, I carries the name of the Roman god of war and is often referred to as the Red Planet. My surface is very rocky with canyons, volcanoes, dry lake beds, and craters all over it. Red dust covers most of my surface. I have clouds and wind just like Earth. Sometimes the wind blows the red dust into a dust storm. I am smaller than Earth with a diameter of 4,217 miles. I have two moons called Deimos and Phobos. I and Earth have approximately the same landmass. I am the home to the tallest mountain in the solar system. Only 18 missions of me have been successful. I have the largest dust storms in the solar system. On me, the sun appears about half the size as it does on Earth. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Jupiter. As you all know, I am massive. I am the fastest spinning planet on the solar system. The cloud on me are only 50 kilometers thick, like others. I also have rings. My magnetic field is 14 times stronger than Earth. I am the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest in the solar system. I am the king of planet by mass. Thank you.
Hello, friends. I am Saturn. As you all know, I am huge. The beautiful rings on me is not solid. Some of these bits are small as grains of sand. The rings are huge but thin. I can float in water because I am mostly made of gas. I am the gas giant made by mostly of hydrogen and helium. And I am the second most massive planet in the solar system. A unique feature of me is that I am the least dense planet in the solar system. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Uranus. As you all know, I am the coldest planet in the solar system. I orbit the sun on my side. A season on me lasts one long day. 42 years. I am the second least dense planet. I have rings and I am famous next to Saturn. My atmosphere contains ice. I have 27 moons, and the large moons of Uranus is in order of size Miranda, Ariel, Umbriel, Oberon, and Titania. I was the first planet discovered in the modern age. You guys can see me with the naked eyes. Only one spacecraft in the history of spaceflight has ever made a close approach to me. Thank you.
Hello friends, I am Neptune. I am dark, cold and very windy. I am the last of the planet in our solar system. I am more than 13 times as far from the sun as Earth. I am the encircled by 6 rings like Uranus. I am the ice giant. I am similar to gas giant. I have the thick windy atmosphere. I am the fourth largest out of the all planet of the solar system. Big blue planet like Earth and me also appear blue, but my size is 17 times larger than Earth.
Dear teachers and friends, it's the first time we are conducting this